Hello, this is TVCMALL. You might have seen lots of phone case on the market or in a shop, but I bet you might not know how the raw material phone case looks like. So in today's video, I'm going to show you around a factory that specializes in phone cases since 2007, of 15 years of experience, to find out the whole process of making a phone case from the first step of sorting out all material to the final of making the complete phone case. So let's go and find out. And here's their product display area. So let's see some of their highlight products. And here's their partial of patent certifications for phone cases. And here's the phone mold storage area. There are all kinds of molds for Samsung, Huawei, and Apple etc. And here's the hot pressing area. There are total 20 hot pressing machines here to press the inner accessories into the cover to make them tougher and more protective. And here's the leather cutting machine to cut the whole piece of leather into these precise leather pieces. And here's the leather piece cutting mode. Actually, they have thousands of molds available here. There are for different kinds of models. And here's the trimming machine to cut this whole piece into this more precise and nicer one. And in my bag, that's the assembly area to assemble the parts into the whole pieces like this one. And here's doing the electroplating workmanship like this one to make this more clearly and beautiful one. And here's the full automatic repackaging machine. It will pack the packages immediately and automatically. And here's the warehouse. It occupies about 1,000 square meters. So can you guess how many cases are here? So after a quick tour, can you guess how many cases here? So let me tell you the answer. That is 1.5 million. Yes, exactly. That is 1.5 million What a huge number, right? And here's another warehouse for semi-finished products. And the products often stick to the principle of environmental protection, so they often choose the most environmental friendly materials of raw materials. See? Here are two mold engineers. They design and open the molds by themselves. So that's to say they can fulfill any four models once. They are turning plastic injection molding machines here to make the raw material of plastic into the cases here. So that's how the cases are made by this injection molding machine. Let me see the cases here. See? So do you enjoy the whole process of this video today? Because I do. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you.